one is Jennifer, and I have my Leither Box. So why don't we take a look and see what's inside. So here's what I see, and let's take a closer look. Let's find, here's the card. So this is December 2022, and it's called the Turtle Collection, and this would be the inspiration card. How lovely is that? Okay, that's good. And here is the yarn. Let me get the hook out. There we go. Here's the yarn. The yarn is called Turtle. It's DK weight. It's 231 yards. 100% superwash merino. They are very pretty. Yeah, it's 231 yards, yes. And they are very, very pretty. Let me, yeah, so you can see the colors. They're very pretty. Absolutely. They smell real good too. Very pretty yarn. Love that. And the hook. Here's the hook. It's a repeat of a wood from from Turtle Bay. So here is the Turtle Bay hook. I like the wood on this one a lot. And this is a D hook. It is a D. And of course they are all clover tips. For those of you wondering, these are clovers. Alright, and we got stitch markers. Alright. And here is the stitch markers. It is a turtle and then just a round plastic stone. Right there. Yeah. And a turtle. And how cool is that? So for my Leither Box, we got the stitch markers. We got the lovely hook in a size D. And we got the two beautiful skeins of yarn. I really like the colors. Colors are beautiful. Really, there's 231 yards per skein. That would be what? 462 yards. So that's quite a bit of yardage. Could do some damage with that. So I really like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I do. I hope you're getting everything done for Christmas, and hope you're staying warm and enjoying yourself. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.